Virtual Tour of Rome. Journey through the Eternal City. Introduction. Welcome to the Eternal City. As the sun rises over the Italian horizon, its golden rays reveal a city steeped in history, art, and culture. Rome. For centuries, the Eternal City has captivated travelers, writers, and dreamers alike. In this immersive virtual tour, we'll guide you through Rome's iconic landmarks and hidden treasures, transporting you from the comfort of your home to the bustling streets and ancient ruins of Italy's capital. Whether you're planning a future trip or indulging your wanderlust from afar, Rome has something extraordinary for everyone. So, let's begin our journey. The Colosseum, a window to ancient glory. Our first destination is one of Rome's most iconic structures, the Colosseum. Constructed in 70 to 80 AD, this massive amphitheater was once the site of thrilling gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. Imagine the roar of the crowd as you enter the arena, the anticipation of fierce battles, and the grandeur of Roman engineering all around you. From the outside, the Colosseum's towering arches and ancient stones whisper tales of a bygone era. Step inside, and the arena's sheer scale takes your breath away. Picture yourself walking through the underground tunnels where gladiators and exotic animals awaited their turn on the sands above. Peer up at the stands, imagining the emperor seated in the imperial box, presiding over the spectacle. Today, visitors can marvel at this architectural wonder, a testament to Roman ingenuity and endurance. Even in ruins, the Colosseum remains a symbol of Rome's eternal spirit. Vatican City, the spiritual heart of Rome. Next, we journey to Vatican City, the world's smallest independent state and a treasure trove of art and faith. As we approach St. Peter's Basilica, the grandeur of its facade and the welcoming arms of Bernini's colonnade draw us in. Inside the basilica, sunlight streams through stained glass, illuminating Michelangelo's Pieta, a breathtaking sculpture of Mary cradling Jesus. The dome, designed by Michelangelo himself, offers unparalleled views of the city if you're willing to climb its 551 steps. The Vatican Museums house some of the world's most renowned masterpieces, including Raphael's frescoes and the awe-inspiring Sistine Chapel ceiling. As you gaze at Michelangelo's intricate depiction of biblical scenes, it's hard not to feel a profound sense of wonder and connection to history. The Trevi Fountain, a romantic tradition. No trip to Rome, even a virtual one, is complete without a stop at the Trevi Fountain. Designed by Nicola Salvi in the 18th century, this Baroque masterpiece captures the essence of Rome's romantic allure. Crystal-clear water cascades over statues representing the taming of the waters, creating a mesmerizing soundscape. Legend has it that tossing a coin over your left shoulder into the fountain ensures your return to Rome. A second coin grants a new romance, while a third promises marriage. Imagine the fountain lit at night, its glow reflecting on the waters, as couples and tourists from around the world gather to make their wishes. Piazza Navona, the heartbeat of Roman life. We now arrive at Piazza Navona, one of Rome's most vibrant squares. Built on the site of an ancient stadium, this oval-shaped piazza is framed by elegant Baroque architecture and lively cafes. At its center stands Bernini's Fountain of the Four Rivers, a dramatic sculpture symbolizing the Danube, Nile, Ganges, and Rio de la Plata. The square comes alive with street performers, painters, and musicians, creating an atmosphere that's both festive and intimate. Imagine sipping an espresso or enjoying a scoop of gelato as you soak in the sights and sounds of Roman life. The Roman Forum and Palatine Hill, ancient Rome unveiled. As we continue our tour, we step back in time to the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. Once the political and social center of ancient Rome, the Forum's ruins offer a glimpse into a civilization that shaped the modern world. Walk along the Via Sacra, the main thoroughfare, flanked by temples, basilicas, and monuments. Imagine senators debating policies in the Curia or priests conducting rituals at the Temple of Vesta. From the Arch of Titus, commemorating Roman victories, to the Temple of Saturn, these ruins echo with stories of empire and ambition. Climbing Palatine Hill, we find ourselves surrounded by lush gardens and the remnants of imperial palaces. This is where Rome's elite once lived, enjoying views of the Forum and Circus Maximus below. It's a serene spot to reflect on the city's history and the people who walked these paths before us. Trastevere, the soul of Rome. For a taste of authentic Roman charm, we cross the Tiber River to Trastevere, a neighborhood known for its cobblestone streets, ivy-covered buildings, and vibrant atmosphere. Here, tradition meets modernity in a blend of old-world trattorias and trendy boutiques. Wander through narrow alleys adorned with colorful murals and discover hidden gems like Santa Maria in Trastevere, one of Rome's oldest churches. At night, the area comes alive with locals and visitors enjoying outdoor dining and live music. Trastevere's bohemian vibe offers a different perspective of Rome's multifaceted identity. The Pantheon, a marvel of ancient engineering. Our next stop is the Pantheon, a marvel of ancient Roman engineering and one of the best-preserved monuments of antiquity. Built as a temple to all gods, its massive dome and oculus remain architectural wonders to this day. As you step inside, the Pantheon's grandeur envelopes you. Light filters through the oculus, creating a celestial glow that shifts throughout the day. The tombs of Raphael and other notable figures add a touch of reverence to this magnificent space. Campo de' Fiori, a vibrant market square. In the heart of Rome, Campo de' Fiori bustles with energy. By day, it's a lively market where vendors sell fresh produce, flowers, and local delicacies. The aroma of herbs and spices fills the air as shoppers peruse the colorful stalls. By night, the square transforms into a hub of nightlife, with bustling bars and restaurants. Imagine enjoying a plate of pasta carbonara or a glass of Italian wine under the twinkling lights of this historic piazza. Conclusion: sunset over Rome. As our virtual tour comes to an end, we find ourselves atop Gianicolo Hill, watching the sun set over Rome. The city's golden rooftops and ancient monuments glow in the fading light, a testament to its enduring beauty and charm. Thank you for joining this journey through Rome, Italy. From the grandeur of the Colosseum to the quaint charm of Trastevere, we've explored the many facets of the Eternal City. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more virtual tours. Until next time, arrivederci.